Hey everybody, today we're going to change the battery in the 2015 Chevy Cruze key fob. It's a lot easier than you think. All you have to do here is extend the key, turn your key over, and pull from right here. Just pull it off, and be careful because the battery will come out. And just pull it off. You take your new battery, set it in. Also be careful because it will come right off as well. And then you take your battery case cover and just push it back on. And there you go. Your battery is changed in your 2015 Chevy Cruze key fob. And that is it. You don't even have to take off your keyring. Alright, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.